The DJI Mavic 4 Pro, set to launch on May 13, 2025, represents a major leap forward in drone technology. The camera system of the Mavic 4 Pro has been completely redesigned to offer even greater flexibility in image quality for photographers and filmmakers. The main camera features a large 4/3 inch Hasselblad CMOS sensor with an adjustable aperture ranging from f2 to f11. Thanks to dual native ISO technology, the drone now delivers outstanding low-light performance, making it especially valuable for nighttime shoots in dim indoor environments. Complementing the main sensor, there is a medium telephoto camera with a 70mm focal length and a 1/1.5 inch sensor, ideal for capturing detailed shots from a medium distance, perfect for portraits or close-up landscapes. Completing the setup is a telephoto camera with a 168mm focal length and either a 1/1.3 or 1/1.5 inch sensor. Designed for capturing distant subjects with incredible precision and opening up new creative opportunities for aerial photography. The zoom system has been completely reworked as well, providing a 6x optical zoom for lossless magnification, a 2.5x optical zoom for medium distances, and a 1x optical zoom for standard shots. In addition, a powerful 24x digital zoom enables extreme close-up images without the need to physically move closer. Thanks to these improved zoom stages, users can expect clearer, higher quality images, even when zooming at medium ranges, providing sharper results without a major loss in detail. Another major innovation is the introduction of vertical video recording. This feature allows users to film directly in portrait format, making it especially attractive for content creators producing videos for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Despite the vertical orientation, the improved stabilization and the high-end sensors ensure that video quality remains outstanding even during fast movements and challenging shooting conditions. Video performance is pushed to new heights with the Mavic 4 Pro. It can record in stunning 6K resolution at 60 frames per second, delivering razor-sharp footage suitable for professional filmmaking. It also supports 4K resolution at 120 frames per second, perfect for capturing ultra-smooth, slow-motion sequences. With a dynamic range of 14 stops, videos exhibit rich colors and striking contrasts. The drone features an electronic ND filter system up to ND64, allowing flexible exposure control without needing external filters. In addition, the Cine version of the Mavic 4 Pro supports ProRes, 422 HQ, and XQ formats, ensuring the highest possible quality for post-production workflows. Together, these features make the Mavic 4 Pro a true powerhouse for serious film projects.